Windows and doors are finished products commonly used in construction and home improvement projects. Here is some general information about these products. Windows. Windows are typically made of glass and a frame, and are used to allow natural light and fresh air into a building. There are many different types of windows, including single-hung, double-hung, casement, awning, slider, bay, and picture windows. Windows can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, vinyl, aluminum, fiberglass, and composite materials. Windows can be energy efficient, which can help reduce heating and cooling costs for a building. Windows can be customized with different shapes, sizes, colors, and hardware options to match the style of a building. Doors. Doors are used for entry, exit, and privacy within a building. There are many different types of doors, including front doors, interior doors, patio doors, and garage doors. Doors can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, steel, fiberglass, and aluminum. Doors can be energy efficient, which can help reduce heating and cooling costs for a building. Doors can be customized with different styles, colors, hardware options, and glass inserts to match the style of a building. Overall, windows and doors are important components of a building's design and functionality, and there are many options available to suit different needs and preferences.